whispers, hear the silence wave. Reflections shimmer, mirror the sky. In this tranquil moment we float and fly. Breathing deep, let the stillness end. In this peaceful place our worries end. Roll, roll, the rivers flow. In this moment, let our hearts grow. With the stars watching over us. In the silence, find our trust. Surrounded by pines, their secrets untold. Stories of the wild in the breeze unfold. The sun sets slowly, painting the scene, a canvas of calm where souls can glean. Through nature's arms we find our way, in the quiet bliss that's forever stay. Roll, roll, the rivers flow. In this moment, let our hearts grow. With the stars watching over us. In the silence, find our trust. Canoe drifting on this dreamlike shore. In nature's cradle, we'll explore. Roll, roll, the rivers flow. In this moment, let our hearts grow. With the stars watching over us. In the silence, find our trust. Canoe drifting on this dreamlike shore. In nature's cradle, we'll explore. With the stars watching over us. In the silence, find our trust. Canoe drifting on this dreamlike shore. In nature's cradle, we'll explore.